Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a take and make solar oven. This solar oven also comes with s'more supplies. My name is Andrea. I'm the Teen Services Coordinator here at Mesa County Libraries. What you're going to get is a little pizza box here with some instructions taped on top. And inside of your pizza box, we're going to have some s'more supplies, some aluminum foil, and a black piece of paper. And you'll notice that this aluminum foil is folded. When you unfold it very carefully, it's actually two sheets. And when you look inside of the two sheets, you're gonna find a sheet of plastic wrap. Let's see, there it is. It was practically invisible. Okay, so it's very important to set this aside, careful for later, and not crumpling it. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is you are going to draw a square on top of your pizza box. It's gonna be about 1 inch in from each side. I'm gonna show you what that looks like. And after you draw your square, you're going to cut it with your utility knife. You could also use a regular kitchen knife. Just, be mindful, be careful not to cut yourself. Check in with an adult in your life and make sure that that's something that's safe for you. So when you cut around your square, you're gonna leave this top edge uncut. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna create a flap for you. So you're only gonna cut around 3 sides of your square. All right, and you've got your flap. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna line the inside of your flap here with some of your aluminum foil. All right, so now you have your flap taped your aluminum foil onto your flap. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna lift our flap up and we are going to tape our plastic wrap onto this window that we've created in our lid. We're gonna wanna tape that all the way around, making a tight seal to make sure that there's no air that's escaping from our box once we've got it closed. All right, so as you can see, I've taped all the way around on my plastic wrap so that the flap is still moving free that we've taped the aluminum foil to, but we have a window of plastic wrap there. You might wanna make it a little tauter than I did, just make it stretch better, but you get the general idea. Okay, so then the next thing we have to do, which takes a bit of time, is you're gonna line the entire inside of this box, all the cardboard that's still free here, with aluminum foil. We are not gonna cover up this window here with aluminum foil. We wanna make sure that that window is still free, but everywhere else you see cardboard, we're gonna try and cover that up with aluminum foil. Hopefully we've got enough. All right, so as you can see, this isn't terribly pretty, but I've managed to cover most of the interior that was cardboard before, now with aluminum foil. And as you can see, again, we're keeping that plastic window free. We have our flap still able to move and things like that. That's very important. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our sheet of black paper and we're gonna put it inside on top of the aluminum foil that we just put on the bottom. You might have to trim it down to size now that you've got some aluminum foil in there. All right, so there we go. So your solar oven is basically complete now. So the next thing you would do is you'd assemble your s'more ingredients, make your little s'more, put it inside of your box on top of the black paper, and then you're gonna go outside with your solar oven, on a day. It needs to be at least 85 degrees Fahrenheit outside, and it needs to be windless. If it's windy, if it's colder than that, your solar oven isn't gonna get the job done. Once you get that outside, you're gonna put your lid on, and you're gonna have your flap propped up here. You're gonna take a pencil or a stick or anything that's gonna do the job. You're gonna put this up at about a 90-degree angle to the rest of the box. And you're just gonna tape that in place. All right. And then come back in about 30 minutes. It's gonna take at least 30, and see how your s'more is doing. It might need longer, it might need less, depending on the conditions of your day. But yeah, that's how you make a DIY solar oven out of a pizza box and make some s'mores. Thanks so much for watching. These kits are gonna be available August 14th through August 27th at Mesa County Library locations as supplies last. So if you're not sure, please feel free to give us a call and see what we've got left. Thanks.